Hello, everyone, and welcome to Professional DevOps Learning Channel with DevOps Engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to build a Maven Enterprise application. Maven Enterprise application. Step 1. Open MobaXTerm. Step 2. Connect to your Red Hat 9 server. Step 3. CD back into the home user of EC2. Step 4. Create a Java directory and name it. For example, JP project. JP. Step 5. Git clone your project repository. Step 6. Rename the link file to MEA, Maven Enterprise Application. Step Step 7. CD into MEA. Step 8. Do npm package to create a Maven Enterprise application. Step 9. Do npm package -pl module name to build specific models. This is optional. So let's go ahead and practice this in MobaXTerm. Now that we have our MobaXTerm open, what we're first going to do is we're going to create a Java repository that name it, for example, JP. So I'm going to make directory JP, cd into JP, ls, we have nothing in JP. So next up, we're going to git clone our project repository. Here is our project repository. Just gonna copy from here and git clone. Paste it, and it's cloned everything. So because we already have it, it's named MEA, we don't need to rename it anymore. So we're going to cd into MEA, Maven Enterprise Application. Then we're going to do npm package to create a Maven Enterprise application. npm package. Error. Seems like we've encountered some problems while processing POMs. Let's ls. We can see our pom.xml is here. Everything is here. Let's just remove Sony bestsellers and all this text that we don't need to reduce the confusion. Wait, let's read this one more time. Child module of Home EC2 project of pom.xml does not exist. So let's cd into pom.xml. Right, it's not a directory. So we vi into pom.xml. Now inside pom.xml, let's see what we did wrong. Our modules are here. You can see this. Then let's check the other pom.xmls. Let's check it here. Right, we are in our repo and we didn't put our pom.xml. So let's go here, copy this pom.xml, copied, and add new file. Let's call it pom.xml. Paste it. Commit changes. And now that we have a pom.xml, let's do git clone once more. But we need to cd remove JP project, and let's git clone. No, make directory. JP project once more. Cd into JP project, and let's do a git clone. Now that we've cloned it, it should work. Our mvn package should work. So let's cd into MEA and do mvn package. And now we can see it's downloading from the central repository. And it shows build successful. Congratulations guys, you've made your Maven Enterprise applications. Congratulations on watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you check our previous videos about all our standalones and web application. I'll see you all in the next video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section down below. I'll see you all in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Lewis.